Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, August 27th, we're looking at Microsoft stock to see if we can find some insights from both recent news headlines and the chart data. Starting with the big picture, let's look at the daily chart of Microsoft. We can see a strong bullish trend over the past few months, with prices consistently making higher highs and higher lows. The recent Google search results reveal that Microsoft has been experiencing robust revenue growth, driven primarily by its dominance in commercial AI software and cloud computing. This positive sentiment is reflected in the chart data. The stock has been steadily climbing, breaking through several resistance levels along the way. However, it's important to note that Microsoft is facing increasing competition in the generative AI space, with companies like Amazon and Google making significant investments in this area. We'll be looking for any signs of this competition impacting the stock's price action. Let's zoom in and take a look at the 1-hour chart to get a closer view of the recent price action. Over the past few hours, Microsoft has been trading within a tight range, suggesting consolidation. This could be a sign of indecision in the market, as investors weigh the positive news about Microsoft's growth against the concerns about competition. The stock is currently hovering around a key resistance level. A break above this level could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. On the other hand, a break below the resistance level could indicate a potential pullback. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see if we can find any short-term trading opportunities. Here we can see some interesting volatility. There have been a few short-term swings in price, but overall, the trend appears to be bullish. The price action seems to be testing the resistance level, and a break above this level could provide a good entry point for a long trade. However, we need to be cautious, as a break below the resistance level could trigger a short-term pullback. Let's go back to the daily chart and take a look at some key price levels. The recent high of $418.88 could serve as a key resistance level. If the price breaks above this level, it would be a strong bullish signal, potentially leading to further gains. However, if the price fails to break above this level, it could lead to a pullback. On the downside, the recent low of $404.27 could serve as a key support level. If the price breaks below this level, it would be a bearish signal, potentially leading to further losses. However, if the price holds above this level, it could indicate a continuation of the bullish trend. Now, let's examine the 1-hour chart and look for any correlations between the news and the chart data. The recent news about Microsoft's investment in AI infrastructure, despite a slowdown in cloud business growth, seems to be reflected in the consolidation we're seeing on the 1-hour chart. Investors may be cautious, waiting to see how these developments impact the company's overall performance. If we see a break above the resistance level, it could indicate that investors are confident in Microsoft's future growth, despite the competition. On the other hand, a break below the resistance level could signal that investors are more concerned about the potential slowdown in cloud business growth. To recap, Microsoft has been on a strong bullish run over the past few months, driven by its dominance in commercial AI software and cloud computing. However, there are some concerns about competition in the generative AI space and potential slowdown in cloud business growth. Key price levels to watch on the daily chart include the recent high of $418.88 as resistance and the recent low of $404.27 as support. A break above $418.88 would be a strong bullish signal, while a break below $404.27 would be a bearish signal. On the 1-hour chart, we're seeing consolidation, which could indicate that investors are waiting for more clarity on how the recent news will impact the company's performance. A break above the resistance level on the 1-hour chart could signal a continuation of the bullish trend, while a break below could indicate a potential pullback. Keep an eye on the news flow and any upcoming earnings announcements, as these could significantly impact the stock's price action.